Hello, and welcome to Blue Shell Travel. Traveling for the first time? It's like jumping out of a plane, exhilarating and terrifying all at once. But don't sweat it, I got you. We're about to drop some serious travel wisdom. 15 game-changing secrets to make your first trip smooth as butter. All right, first up, packing. Don't be that person rolling a suitcase bigger than a Mini Cooper. Pack light. Seriously, less is more. Think about it. Do you really need that third pair of shoes? Probably not. A day bag is your best friend. Passport, wallet, phone, charger, essentials. Boom. Keep it close, keep it moving, and roll. Don't fold your clothes. Save space, minimizes wrinkles, keeps you organized. Listen up, this is huge. Scan every important document, passport, visa, tickets, everything. Email them to yourself and a trusted friend. Physical copies? Spread the love. Keep one set in your main bag, another in your day bag, maybe even stash one in your shoe. Paranoid? Nope. Prepared. You don't need to be fluent, but learning a few basic phrases in the local language is a game changer. Hello, thank you, please. These go a long way. It shows respect, opens doors, and locals will appreciate the effort. Trust me, a little effort goes a long way. Offline maps, your navigation ninja. Data roaming charges are a soul-crushing experience. Download offline maps before you go. Google Maps, offlinemaps.me. These are lifesavers. Preload your destinations, navigate like a pro, even without internet. Boom, you're unstoppable. Money talks. Cash is king, but cards are cool too. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Carry multiple payment options. Cash, debit card, credit card. Notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid any surprise blocks. And here's a pro tip. Withdraw local currency from an ATM. Once you arrive, usually gets you the best rates. Culture code. Respect the vibe. Every country has its own customs and etiquette. Do your research. What's cool in one place might be a major faux pas in another. Dress appropriately. Be mindful of noise levels. Learn the local tipping customs. It's all about respect, people. Travel insurance. Not sexy, but essential. Look, nobody wants to think about things going wrong, but they can. Travel insurance is your safety net. Medical emergencies, lost luggage, cancellations. It's better to be safe than sorry. Get it? Don't leave home without it. Outsmart the pickpockets. Be a travel ninja. Tourists are easy targets, but you're smarter than that. Use anti-theft bags, wear your backpack in front, don't flash your cash. Split your money, keep some in your wallet, some in your pocket, maybe even a secret stash in your shoe. Be unpredictable. Be safe. Go with the flow. Embrace the unexpected. Listen, things don't always go as planned, and that's okay. Flights get delayed, buses break down. It's all part of the adventure. Stay flexible, be adaptable, and don't let a little hiccup ruin your trip. Remember, sometimes the best experiences are the unplanned ones. Eat like a local, hydrate like a camel. Food is a huge part of the travel experience. Ditch the tourist traps and seek out local gems. Ask Ask locals for recommendations. Try street food from reputable vendors. Be adventurous. And stay hydrated, especially in hot climates. Carry a reusable water bottle. Refill it whenever you can. Rise and shine. Early bird gets the best shots. Want those epic, crowd-free photos? Get up early. The light is better, the streets are quieter, and you'll have the place to yourself. Plus, you can always take a nap later. Early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the Instagram-worthy shot. Slow down, breathe, don't overschedule. Don't cram your itinerary so full that you're constantly on the move. Leave room for spontaneity, for getting lost, for just chilling. Sometimes the best moments are the unplanned ones. Remember, you're on vacation, not a forced march. Listen to your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Avoid walking alone at night in unfamiliar areas. Stay aware of your surroundings and know the local emergency numbers. Your safety is paramount. Don't mess around with that. A local SIM card is a game changer. Stay connected, navigate with ease, and avoid those hefty roaming charges. Download translation apps. They're lifesavers for deciphering menus, signs, and conversations. Technology is your friend. Use it wisely. Keep a travel journal. Jot down your experiences, the good, the bad, the hilarious. Write about the people you meet, the food you eat, the sights you see. Years from now, these memories will be priceless. Plus, you can share your wisdom and inspire others to travel. There you have it, 15 secrets to conquer your first trip like a boss. Remember, traveling is about embracing the unknown, stepping outside your comfort zone, and creating stories that will last a lifetime. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and go explore. The world is waiting.